So for making this project you need these things: a NodeMCU ESP8266, a charging module and a lithium battery. I have connected the NodeMCU to the PCB and bent their pins. I have connected two batteries together to increase the image, the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. The positive of the NodeMCU is connected to the charging module and the negative of the NodeMCU is connected to the negative of the charging module. Let's connect the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative of the charging module. Let's cut this wire and attach a switch over here. You have to simply open the folder that is given in the video description and then select the wing which your system is supported. Then add the .bin file. When it is done, your NodeMCU is ready to use. First, you have to on the Wi-Fi jammer and connect with your mobile. And then connect the network name pond. The password is the author. DEAUTHER. And then open the Chrome and type there 192.68.4.1. And now let me tell you how to use this website. So first go to APS and select a network. And then go to attacks. The DAuth attacks, when we start it, the network gets jammed. If you scroll down and tap on SSID, you can type any name over here and you can make clone Wi-Fi's from that name. Like now I am putting one name boss and now I will click on number of clones around 30 and then you have to click on encrypted and add. And then when you own the beacon attack, now I will show you. See this, there are 30 Wi-Fi from the same name, but from that Wi-Fi you cannot access any internet if you connect it. And that's it for the video guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question to relate to this, please comment me down.